So I'm installing my Team Heko window deflectors. First things first is you're going to want to clean all your rubber seal with some soapy water or just some water. Next thing you're going to need to do is get your Team Heko window deflector and peel off the sticky tab cover like so. There's one on either side, one at the front here and one at the back. Next thing you're going to want to do is stick the front bit in first. Bend the back bit in. Like so. Then get the metal clips. I'm going to get these two metal clips and then stick them in. I normally stick one down here and one up there just to support it, and also stops it from getting stolen. And there we have it, guys. That's Team Heko window deflectors installed on the little Renault Twingo. I'm only doing one side today because the driver's side one has snapped, so I'm waiting for a replacement on that. But yeah, there we go. Installed and looking great.
Yeah.